The KOJEO Cordless Spin Mop is equipped with a powerful battery that provides up to 80 minutes of cleaning time on a single charge, making it perfect for tackling larger areas without frequent interruptions. Featuring dual strong motors, this electric mop spins at an impressive 100 revolutions per minute, effectively handling stubborn stains such as children's drawings, coffee spills, and pet accidents. The mop's lightweight design, weighing just over 2 pounds, combined with its self-propelling feature, ensures ease of movement across various hard surfaces like hardwood, tile, and laminate. Its straightforward design focuses solely on mopping, which makes it user-friendly and reduces the need for bending or squatting during cleaning sessions. The KOJEO Cordless Spin Mop comes with 4 washable microfiber pads and 2 polishing pads, offering versatility for different cleaning needs and ensuring a sustainable cleaning practice. With a 1-year warranty and lifetime technical support, users can feel confident in the product's durability and the manufacturer's commitment to customer satisfaction.